Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to Weekly Tools, the channel where we dive deep into everything you need to know about tools, repairs, and car maintenance. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on a new video. Today, we've got something super important to talk about, that dreaded ABS light on your dashboard. You know, the one that keeps staring at you and making you worry about your car's safety system? Well, don't sweat it. I'm going to show you exactly how to clear that ABS light and get you back on the road safely. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what the ABS light means. ABS stands for Anti-Lock Braking System. It's a crucial safety feature that prevents your brakes from locking up during an emergency stop, especially in slippery conditions. When that ABS light comes on, it usually indicates there's an issue with the system. But don't panic. There are a few steps you can take to clear it. Before we jump into clearing the light, let me remind you, safety first. Always wear protective gloves and make sure the car is off and the parking brake is engaged. Now, let's talk tools. You'll need a couple of things to clear that ABS light. OBD2 scanner. Post picks up an OBD2 scanner. Your car's manual. Post flips through a manual. Optional. Brake fluid, if necessary. Now, grab your OBD2 scanner. If you don't have one, they're relatively inexpensive and a game changer when it comes to diagnosing and clearing warning lights like the ABS light. We've got a link for one in the description below if you need it. Okay, let's move on. Alright, now that we've got the tools, let's walk through how to use the OBD2 scanner to clear the ABS light. First, plug the scanner into your car's OBD2 port, which is usually located beneath the dashboard, near the driver's seat. Once it's plugged in, turn the key to the on position, but don't start the car. You'll see the scanner light up, and now it's time to check the codes. On your OBD2 scanner, navigate to the Read Codes option, and the scanner will tell you what's going on. If it's an ABS-related issue, you'll usually see something like C1020 or other ABS fault codes. Don't worry, these codes are helpful, as they give you a clue about what's wrong. Next, you can either look up the code in your manual or do a quick Google search to identify the problem. Some of the most common issues include a faulty ABS sensor, worn-out wheel bearings, or low brake fluid. If the issue is something simple, like low brake fluid, you can top it up and clear the light yourself. Just make sure to follow the manufacturer's recommendations for brake fluid type and level. After you've topped it up, let's clear the code. Once you've identified and addressed the issue, go back to your OBD2 scanner and select the Clear Codes option. This will reset the ABS light and turn it off. Easy, right? And just like that, the ABS light is gone. You've successfully cleared the ABS light and addressed the issue. Now, remember, if the light comes back on after you clear it, there might be a deeper issue that needs professional attention. But for a quick fix, this method works like a charm. That's all for today's Weekly Tools tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful, and now you know exactly how to clear that pesky ABS light. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to see more car maintenance tips. We love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, keeping your car in top shape starts with the right tools and a little know-how. See you next time on Weekly Tools.